For as the rain and snow come down from heaven, and do not return there without having watered the earth, making it bring forth and sprout, giving seed to sow and bread to eat, so my word will be that goes out from my mouth. It will not return to me in vain, but will accomplish what I intend, and will succeed in what I sent it for. Yes, you will go out with joy, and be led forth with peace. The mountains and the hills will break forth before you, singing, and all the trees of the field will clap their hands.
For everyone who asks receives, the one who seeks finds, and to the one who knocks, the door will be opened.
Inasmuch as we refute arguments and theories and reasonings and every proud and lofty thing that sets itself up against the true knowledge of God, and we lead every thought and purpose away captive, into the obedience of Christ, the Messiah, the Anointed One.
Love endures with patience and serenity. Love is kind and thoughtful, and is not jealous or envious. Love does not brag and is not proud or arrogant. It is not rude, it is not self-seeking, it is not provoked nor overly sensitive and easily angered. It does not take into account a wrong endured. It does not rejoice at injustice, but rejoices with the truth, when right and truth prevail. Love bears all things, regardless of what comes, believes all things, looking for the best in each one, hopes all things, remaining steadfast during difficult times, endures all things, without weakening. Love never fails, it never fades nor ends.